Happy New Year, LegalShield family. My name is Melissa Peters, and I'm excited to be here today to share some great announcements with you. But before I do that, I want to congratulate all the new leaders and all the new trainers that have joined our team for 2026. We're excited to say that we do have a new training structure. We have new incentives. We also have new training material for 2026. So let me kind of explain that to you. It's going to start with our senior regional trainers. We have 7 working alongside of the senior regional vice presidents. The efforts of the senior regional vice presidents and senior trainers are to ensure that we have adequate events in the marketplace, that we have adequate training in the marketplace. So their oversight is going to help us do that. Now, we also have regional trainers. Regional trainers are there to do the certification training in their assigned region. This is exciting because we have new training coming this year that those regional trainers will be hosting. And talking about that training, well, we have decided to take apart the small business small group certification training and launch 2 different trainings this year. We know by launching our brand new group legal plans, it can be a little overwhelming learning all the content of Choice Select, Select Plus, and then the Essentials Plus and Pro small business plans, and how to talk to the business owner and the decision maker. So in 2026, we're going to start with a level 1 group certification, small group certification training.